Hi my friends, and welcome back to Destynee. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and thank you so much for stopping by. Please, I'm begging you, please don't be a stranger. Join the positive gang and hit subscribe. Now, in order to see when I post a new video, hit the notification bell, and anytime I post a video, it will automatically notify you. Okay, now that we got the housekeeping out of the way, yeah, you're probably saying, girl, you look a little bit casket ready. Yeah, I know, brows did already, so I'm prepared to show you. It's not a whole full makeup video, it's just to show you the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I'm reading it from my computer. So I picked one up yesterday and I got shade 370. Now this is, let's see, it's 8 milliliters, and opening it now. I did try the foundation when it first came out, and no bueno. I don't like the foundation. The foundation makes me look orange, to look really orange. So I did pull out the foundation here, and here it is. And the foundation is in a 32 ml, and I think I was a 400 in this, or was it 420? I can't remember. Pulling for the glasses. Let's see. Yeah, it's 400. It's so hard to see. Damn, even with my glasses on. So anyways, it's 32 ml. This is 8 ml. You see the difference in size. Actually, let's get it like this. There we go. That's the difference in the size. Okay. So we're gonna try this out and see how it works. Now, according to the description, it is a creamy long wear crease proof liquid concealer with light as air, medium to full coverage that brightens under eyes and conceals blemishes and redness. It is cruelty free. What else does it say? This is the full coverage cure to living life to the fullest. Okay, living life to the fullest. All right, for concealer. All right, we'll see. This sweat resistant formula comes in groundbreaking range of 50 easy to shop soft matte shades, each designed to pair with your Pro Filter foundation sold separately. Start with your Pro Filter foundation shade and adjust from there. See, it says this sweat resistant formula. I don't know about anybody else, but anybody else sweat under their eyes? I don't sweat under my eyes, or whatever. Anyways, let's try this out and see how it works. This is the only thing that I purchased. I didn't get the setting powder and all that jazz. Saving the box just in case I got to bring it back if it is too light. So let's see. Where my brush at? Okay. So right away, let's see. It has the, oh, okay, it has the I think they call this a doe foot applicator, and it's on an angle. Can you see? Let's see. There we go. It's on an angle. Pretty okay. So we're gonna try it. Okay, and I do like my concealers pretty light. This is not much lighter than my others. Pretty the same, to be quite honest. Now, I did read that you have to kind of let it sit and dry before you blend it out, which, okay, I'm not sure why. Gotta snatch this big old snodge that I have going on. I had the chance, I'm not sure if I would get a nose job. Looking pretty. Me. So let's see if this is Nicola certified, okay? So I let it dry down a bit. Zoom in. Let's zoom in. Okay. We're gonna blend it out, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something. I blended out, as you can see, you're with me. I blended only this side. Can I tell you that I'm in love? I'm in love. Hey, yeah, good. Boy, talk to me nice. This is good. This is good. I think I'm gonna have to put, OMG, I like it. Love it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it. This is some pure excitement, boy. Sorry for people. Okay, I hate it. When I tell you I hate it, like, I have the foundation and honestly I didn't bring it back. Oh my god, this is good. Well. Well, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Just gonna blend it out. Oh, oh my god. I don't get excited about things besides highlighter. And I'm excited. Like I already, like I said, I used the contour stick, but I blended it out. So let's go back. And I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm so impressed and excited. I can't find things. Okay, here we go. It is Nicola approved. It is Nicola approved. Big time. It's full coverage. It's creamy. It blends nice. Like I literally look flawless. It covers pores. Holy crap. So the concealer that I've been loving is the, Born This Way in Warm Sand, and I swear by this thing. Okay, so this is Warm Sand, this one here, and this is the Fenty Beauty in 370. Yes, my lord. Yes. Yeah, look good. And you know what? I didn't use my beauty blender at all, but let's see. It gives it, oh my gosh. Pro filter, come through. What have a sparkle here? Where the hell that come from? Yep. So I am going to set. You know what? It doesn't even look like it needs to be set, but I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna use my my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I am going to set. I'm so excited that, okay, here we go. I can't find nothing because I'm excited. Whew. Who would have thought that some concealer would excite me like this, and it's not even highlighter. Anybody that knows me know that I like to shine bright like a unicorn. Like if I could do my whole face just in, can that trend come? Just all highlighters over your face. I would be so on it. I'd be all over it. Like flies on shit. This looks very good. This looks well put together, or very well put together. I'm very, very impressed. Yeah, very impressed. So I'm just gonna finish off my contour. Why am I using this big brush on my nose? Like, isn't my nose big enough? Wow, go on ya. Y'all lose it. Rena, you're making me lose it, girl. You're making me lose it. Yeah, this big brush on my big old nose. Yeah. Oh gosh. I kind of make myself laugh. That's good. I am loving it. Do I need to set the rest of my face? No, I'm not going to. I don't need to. Alrighty. So let's put some blushes on. Let's use some blushes. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's popping. I'm just letting y'all know that I think I'm gonna go back. No word of a lie. I'm gonna go back and I'm going to get another one. I'm gonna get another one just because I need to. I need to get another one and put it down. When you wanna come to me, oh, the colors are out. They're all sold out. We don't know when they're coming back. Not for us. I'm gonna be on top of that, boy. Oh my gosh, this looks really, 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 really good. And who's gonna say it doesn't? I lie to myself. And we're going to use my Artist Couture. Which color is this one? This is the Hot Damn. Hot Damn. Hot Damn to go with the Hot Damn Good Looking Concealer. I like how this looks, man. Who can tell me nothing right now? Who can tell me a damn thing right now? Wow. Now turn the light, look good. Yeah, look good. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. So this is the final look, my peeps. I am loving, loving, loving this concealer. I don't know what else to say besides it's good. So there's no creasing. There's like absolutely no pores showing. Everything looks flawless. Don't mind my edges. They need to be fixed. But this is amazing. Now, for anyone like myself that doesn't want to go out and splurge on the entire line, you can have to use the Fenty primer. I didn't use the foundation. It works with other foundations. It works with other setting powder. Fenty, Rihanna gal, you did your thing. You did that damn thing with this concealer. I only have this concealer. I have the contour stick and I have the foundation, but foundation can stay. I don't want that. So for anyone who has been thinking about purchasing the concealer but they just weren't sure, I'm here to be transparent with you. And if I don't like something, I'm gonna tell you, I don't like it. I don't like it. but I love it. I absolutely love it. I would say go spend your coins on it. In the meantime, between times, stay blessed, and until next time, love you.